Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. I was posting post-market and pre-market videos of Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all, and also technical analysis. So based on your support, I will upload more videos on technical analysis and share market topics and everything. Okay, you can watch my regular updates of post-market and pre-market analysis. Okay, if you not watched my old videos, please watch and come back. And this is for bank nifty post market video. Okay, if you're not watched my previous video about pre-market analysis of bank nifty, please watch it and come back. Okay, so this is live market going to end in 5 minutes. Why I'm taking now, like it's already done. Okay, there is no that much movement, we cannot able to do any trading from now. Okay, anyway, that's what. uh, so as I said yesterday, there will be a like a little trending day only today. If you are not watched my earlier video, please watch it. Okay, not that much trending, but little trending, as I said. Okay, same thing happened today. See, I said clearly this red line 43.43. Once broken and taken support, then it will go for long. That is first point. And second point, as I said on previous 2 more days before itself, market started recovering. Correct. So every day it started recovery little bits. Okay, it's moving slowly to up. Correct. So same thing. Yesterday I said on my pre-market video, it is recovering. It will go for long only. Okay, that only happened even though market opened gap up today. Okay, so we don't want to break out. We want to wait for this breakout and all. It's already opened a gap up. Okay, so we don't able to trade on this level because it is already in the near to the next level resistance. Okay, so we have to wait for next opportunity on this level, this red line 45.23. As I said, once it's broken, then it will go for next level. Correct. So after this time, see, from here market taken support around 10:30. It was went up to here. Okay, almost 200 points. Okay, if you are not taken also, see here, I was took some scalping on the second half. Okay, because of the right setup has been I have found it here. That's what. See, if you taken support on the same here in the green candle, it was went long up to this resistance. Correct. Even though the second level, this level has been broken. Correct, around 2 o'clock. So if you taken this one, it will move up to here. Okay, I was taken from here only, taken and completed closing my position here because I know market will reverse the maximum. Only the probability I'm saying, not 100%. I predicted like market can reverse from here. Okay, because Bank Nifty had strong resistance. Okay, so as my levels responded perfectly after my closing the position here, it was just went up and returning with continuous red candles, and then it will be on sideways as we have predicted. Okay, that's what I am posting now itself live market because anyway market cannot break this level. Okay, and see this level, which this is a high, correct, 47.20. Okay, it won't go long further from here. It will be a strong resistance now. So market will close on this position itself. Okay, that's what I closed my scalping position on here itself, around 235 itself. So market now time is 3:30. Correct, going to complete the day. So hence I closed my position. So as I predicted, like market will reverse or it is sideways. Even I posted in the group. Okay, so same thing happened. It is come reversed and it was in sideways only. Okay, so this is called the price action and respecting the market as per our levels. Okay, anyway, it's not 100% responding every day, but probability will be high. Okay, that only I'm following here. Okay, so let me know your comments and feedbacks about your suggestions on my videos on my levels. Okay, that will be boost of me to upload more videos. Okay, so this is a post market video for bank nifty. So okay, we'll see you on a pre-market video of tomorrow bank nifty. Tomorrow will be expiry day. We'll update you soon by today. Okay, So hence market is going to close this level. See, I will end up this video by 3:30 itself. That will be better for you. So to prove that market cannot break these levels, there is no huge or up or down movement will not expect, because here it is a strong resistance. So it is a consolidation and uh, completing this price actions from here itself. It cannot move from here. Can you able to see this one? I will mark the line. See this one. I will mark in green or some pink color. See, okay, it won't break here. So that's called price action. So market finally ended today as we predicted. It is completed as a sideways at the end of the bank nifty day at after 2:30. So please follow perfect levels, analyze the markets, analyze the charts, and enter into the market. Okay, trade with perfect stop loss. Don't trade without stop loss. Okay, okay, fine. Market has been done for the day today. So we'll see you on next video, guys. Thank you so much.